St. George Blizzard improving in their second game. Shot. Mike, Russell, Open, and Serena. They the best team win. There we go. And Bear 53 has the ball. And far as put it there, Bear 53 with the bucket right there.
Started on our team.
That's how Russell has the bite, has the shot, and this shot with his rush, got nothing but air that time. Russell got some down. Oh, that's okay. Russell right here. Russell shoot. Almost a bucket right there. That guy's nice. Easy shot. Alright, missed a shot on that one.
Certain things in things. I don't even know who I can talk to. Going around. It's all good.
That game started. And that thing that went well. There's some Russell right here. Okay, Russell. That's around 51. That's Mike. Mike's over 3. Hey, missed the bucket!
Pull my layer off without.
I think that should have been a 3-pointer right there. Amy, who's number 35?
Blue ball. I'll be back.
Yeah.
Tim Pop.
Tim
Pop.
Tim Pop is number 35. There's Russell. Tim Pop got the ball. Shot. Tim Pop. And yeah, really good blue ball. And I think it went to the white ball. Shot. Over a rainbow. Yeah. Russell has to pass the ball now. And point right there. 51 are Anthony. Matt is number 51. And that's talking to effort. Back over 2. And we're out of bounds. That's a right, that's a Russell.
Can I sneak in by or no?
Yeah, you go ahead.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And that's a 2. That's over 3-pointer, no good. So Michael, number 14. There's some Russell. Russell with the bucket. And he makes the bucket. Good shot from. That's a score and a half. No good. But Russell got the rebound. Russell touched the floor. And a foul. And a foul.
That was good sportsmanship, though.
Yeah.
The team member helping him up.
There's somebody, he's just got the ball. By 2. Oh no, not good. And looks like a massive fill there. A foul right there. And also named Eric too. That was 3. And Mike got the rebound. There's my Michael. By this look. And he makes the bucket. And Rusty Storm only trailing by 2. And it looks like timeout, so we'll take a commercial break. Welcome back, sports fans. Here's how Ballboy ran the steal from Matt. And it looks like steal from 35 feet. No good. Recovery from Griffin. There's a Russell. Russell, and he makes the bucket. Great play from a Rapid City Storm Blizzard.
Just not gonna say so on
And there's his feet. There's a recovery. We'll find out. Oh no, that's good. hit the ball got tripped. And right, there comes Russell. Russell shoot over Rainbow. The first pitch got the ball. White ball right here.
Bless you, God bless you.
There's a shot. And a great recovery from Matt.
Push you off the
Right. Like you, you got nothing but air that time.
They on somebody? Yeah. I was told that screen. Look at Tommy. Look at his feelings.
And I goes over 3. And I can't believe it. He made a perfect feet. Made a 3-pointer on that one.
I don't hear you.
But hand the Rapid Storm was your answer. Karina. Russell. Having a shot. Half shot. Two pairs. Almost. Got a lot of people walking away. Oh.
It's okay, buddy.
I hope he's okay.
Oh, you alright?
But here's what's the same for Russell.
White ball.
I ain't never played more than I got hurt a little bit.
Larry. Mr. Larry. Jason. Grady.
For 43.
Hey buddy, how's it going? We got your neck. We'll see you there at the court.
Shoot. No good. Blue ball right here. Yeah, a lot of people walking away. You know, there's a lot of pathway, a lot of people.
That's all I did. I did.
Russell overshot it.
Alright, Russell. It's alright, buddy. Take it over.
Mike got the ball is you. The way up. Hey, man! The bucket!
You're doing good. You're doing good.
There's Russell. Russell shoot. And that was good in the first half. Alright, this is a halftime report. And so far, the Rapid City Storm Blizzard are playing much better in the first half against Berkeley Peak. They're only early by 1 point, but that is not bad than the last game or so. And 11 in hand, Berkeley Peak. And the Rapid City Storm Blizzard approved and to have a major win. We'll find out. And this is Arizona, and this happened the halftime report. Welcome to the second half of the Mayhem basketball school. First side shoot. Matt, yes, ball. After Russell. After Eric shoot. Over Rainbow. Shoot. No good. No good. There's my Russell. Come here. Passes it right. And looks like you're right down from the Fairfield feet. Thank you. And Fairfield feet got the ball. Shoot. No good. Left side. And a rebound from the Rapid City Storm Blizzard. There's a Matt. Matt is. And the Rapid City Storm Blizzard takes the lead by 1 point. There's the season there. That's right, he's got the defense. And he's right, the shoot. No good, but recovered by and a foul.
Is he okay?
It shot him. Kind of hurt him a little bit. But he's okay. No good. But recovered by Rapid City Storm Lightning. After a shot, after a Russell. Russell with a shot. Shot shoot. Oh, both men looking on that one. There's his feet. Hey, shoot. No good. Looks like oh, well, there you go. Representing Storm Blizzard for a bucket. I didn't see that one. Just a lot of people have been walking in my way. And I don't like that when it happens when people walking away, but I think it's just a lot of foot traffic over here. Well, Representing Storm Blizzard is doing pretty good. 14-11 Representing Storm Blizzard. That's over 3. And it's your recovery. Right, still good. Passing from Tom. And that's not good. Let's do. And a blessing by the third feet on that one. There's some Russell right here. Oh, what? Oh, what you know? Representing Storm would have sure, yeah, busted. But we were hanging away. Yeah, busted by Griffin Pete. I touchdown and walk away by one. Tom, thank you. Go good. Blue ball. That's a storm ball right there. That's all for free and got nothing but air that time. Is that cute? No good. Seven 47 left remaining in the game.
That's the age one, though.
Welcome back, sports fans. There's Tom Russell. Russell says, alright, this was that. That's a bite. That's nothing but air that time. So, ready to go for a free. No good, but three or missing rebound.
This time I go.
Ringer. Yeah, bad pass for sure. Well, hi, Russell getting really frustrated. Well, hi, Russell is, oh, right, he's not ready to take a fight with someone. There's Karinga. And Right. Right shoot. And he got nothing but air that time. Tom, that's a skill. Oh wait, I think that's Matt. We're running for a free shoot. Have a rapid storm, we and number 54 got nothing but air that time. Let's have Russell. Mike. Russell. Happy to Springer. Mike shoot. Go good.
Take it all the way in, all the way, take your time. Whoa!
Russell overdone it. Russell overdone it. Could have slowed down a little bit. Trainer. Out here, Sam. Sam still way high. Guys over for free. And nothing but air that time. There's Serena. And pass it to go good. And Serena looks like it got knocked over a little bit. 43.
Got it. Get the rebound.
Nice two. Over here. Go back there. And the Rapid City Storm. Wizards. At the end of the league. So if that was a half inch, it was a 3-pointer. And go good.
Get ready for the rebound.
And yep. And blue ball return. And Mike is here. Springer. Two. Ah! He missed the basket! And shoot. Go good. Springer steals the ball. Springer way up. We have a 45. And yeah, another air and Griffith made a bucket on that one. I cut down the lead a little bit. We'll probably time out. And go substitute sub column.
I didn't say anything to him earlier.
There's Tom Russell. Passing to Sam 2, no good. Sam Blue.
I think I could get one shoot.
And a game of Hober. Passing to Mike. Mike 2. Over and no good. Almost a 3. Point his weapon. Just a little ball. Point just left. Game over. Two. No good. 3, 2, 1. And there's the game. We got here round applause for
We're playing Whack-Ass.
yeah. We're playing give a round of applause for Rocky City Sword Blizzard on the victory. And thank you Sword with 20-17. This is a post-game report. It's been a really good game between Rocky City Sword Blizzard and the Bearfish Heat. Yeah, my interview with Coach. Mike, way to go. How do you guys feel on the winning victory?
We did a good job. We won.
All right. Oh, you got anything to say?
I'm very proud of them. We won.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
And how do you feel?
I feel good.
Congratulations on the victory. Mike, congratulations on the victory. How do you guys feel about the victory?
I feel good, buddy.
Sounds good.